Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing very well and your studies are also going very good. Myself Divya Sahu and today I am going to continue our previous lesson, that is the birds. Children, till now in birds we have studied about general features of a bird. Like birds fly, they have wings and feathers to fly. They have beaks. They lay eggs. They are of different sizes and different colors. After that, we have studied about body parts of a bird. Right? Then we have studied what characteristic features help a bird to fly. Like birds have a streamlined body. They have hollow bones. And they have wings and feathers to fly. After that, we have studied about few flightless birds. What are those birds' name? Yes, penguin, emu, ostrich, rhea, cassowary. These are flightless birds and they have puny wings and also they have heavy body weight. That's why these wings, they are not able to lift their heavy body and that's why they cannot fly. So children, after all these topics, let's come to our next topic and that is flight of a bird. Right? All of you know that birds fly with the help of their wings. Right? To wings, feathers are attached. Also, one more thing I want to include, children, that birds have strong muscles. As you know that birds do not have arms. Instead of arms, they have wings. So while flying, they have to move their wings continuously. So that's why, children, birds have strong muscles to flap their wings. And these strong muscles are called flight muscles. Okay, children? So birds have wings, they have feathers and they have strong flight muscles also. Okay? Now, children, if I'm saying that birds are moving, they are flying with the help of their wings. So what happens during the flight? Children, birds fly by flapping of wings. They flap their wings. Okay? And to flap their wings, they have two kinds of movements. They show two movements while flapping. So what are those movements? See, what is it in here? Flight of a bird. Flight of a bird by flapping wings. And children, flapping of wings, it has two movements. First is up stroke and the second one is down stroke. So again I am telling that birds fly with the help of flapping of their wings. They flap their wings and during flapping wings they use two types of movements. First movement is up stroke and the second movement is down stroke. Okay? Now children, let's come to different stages during flight of a bird. Children, when a bird wants to fly, first step, it pushes its legs. Then it opens its wings. After pushing and opening the wings, it draws its legs towards the body. Legs are drawn towards its body. After that, bird starts up stroke. During up stroke, wings, they move upwards and downwards. Then it starts down stroke. During downstroke, wings move downwards and forward. So children, by these upstroke and downstroke movements, the air which is present below the wings, it lifts the body of bird in the air and bird starts flying. Air present below the wings, it pushes the bird's body up and slightly it starts flying. Now children, after reaching a certain height, birds, they don't flap their wings and they start moving smoothly, continuously. That is called gliding. That means they start moving in a continuous motion smoothly. After that, when they have to land, they again coming down by repeating the same upstroke and downstroke, and then they just extend their legs and they close their wings and they land. Okay, so that is about different stages of flight of a bird. Like I have written here, what are different stages? First, a bird, it pushes its leg and open its wings. Then legs are drawn to its body. Then it starts upstroke movement. During upstroke movement, wings move upward and downward. Then it starts downstroke. During downstroke, wings move downward and forward. These upstroke and downstroke movement, they help to lift the body of a bird in the air, because the air present below the wings, it pushes the bird's body to lift in the air and it goes up in the sky gradually. Okay, then after reaching a certain height, birds start gliding. What is gliding? Smooth and continuous motion is called gliding. After reaching a height, birds, they stop flapping and they start gliding. Then they have to land. That's why again they, while coming down, again they start upstroke and downstroke. Then just reaching towards the ground, they open their legs, they extend their legs and they close their wings. And they land safely on the ground or on branches. So children, in this way a bird flies. Now children, do you know that distance and height of a flight vary from bird to bird? Some birds, they fly at lower levels. Some birds, they fly at greater heights. Some birds, they fly for short distances, while some birds, they fly for long distances. Right? So, here I have written that distance and height of a flight vary from bird to bird. Some birds, they fly at lower level. Like you can see sparrow. Sparrow flies at lower levels. Then some birds, they fly at greater heights. Like eagle, vulture, kites, they fly at higher levels. Then children, some birds, they fly for long distances. Like pigeon and crow. After that, some birds like peacock and cock, they fly for short distances. So children, different types of birds, they show different types of flights on the basis of distance and heights. Now children, let's come to our next topic for today. You know that all the birds fly with the help of their wings. And to these wings, feathers are attached. Our next topic is feathers. Feathers are attached to wings. Feathers, they are of different shape, sizes and colors. You must have seen many feathers near your house. These feathers are of birds. So, are they of same color? Are they of similar appearance? No, they look different because different birds, they have different types of feathers. Now, what is the function of feathers, children? Children, feathers, already you know that they help a bird to fly. Also, do you know that feathers, they keep the body of a bird warm? And also feathers, they give shape to the body of a bird. One more thing I want to tell you about feathers, children. Birds, they lose their old feathers. And in place of them, they grow new feathers. Time to time. Okay, children? So, that was like introduction of feathers. Now, let's come to types of feathers. Children, feathers are of 3 types. What are these 3 types? First one is given flight feathers. Second one is down feathers. And the third one is body feather. So children, let's study them one by one. First type of feathers in birds are flight feathers. As the name itself suggests, these feathers, they help a bird during flight. Children, these feathers, they are present in wing and in tail region. These are large in size. Children, these feathers, they help to lift the body of a bird during flight. Also, they maintain the balance of bird's body when it is flying. So children, first kind of feather is flight feather. It helps a bird to fly. Right? Now children, what is second types of feathers? These are down feathers. Children, down feathers, they grow close to the skin of birds. Okay? And these feathers, they keep body of a bird warm. Children, these down feathers, they are very soft. They are fluffy and small. You must have seen a chick. Chick, baby of a hen. How it looks? It looks very soft because it has soft, fluffy, small feathers. So children, down feathers, they grow close to the skin and they keep the body of a bird warm. They are very soft, they are very fluffy and they are small. In newly born birds, down feathers are present. All the newly born birds, you must have seen that they have very small feathers, small, soft. So, down feathers are present in newly born birds. And what is their function? They keep body of a bird warm. Right? Now children, third category of feathers is body feathers. Children, body feathers, they are present all over the body and they give shape to the body of a bird. They cover the streamlined body of a bird and they give them a particular shape. Right? So what is function of body feathers? They give shape to the body of a bird. They cover the streamlined body of a bird. Right? So children, that was all about our today's topic. Today we have studied how a bird flies. What are different stages during the flight of a bird? Then we have studied that different birds, they show different types of flight on the basis of distance and height. After that, we have studied about types of feathers. 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Children, hope all the things are clear to you and you got all the points. In our next session, we will study about beaks and claws of a bird. Till then, children, keep revising, keep studying and keep smiling. Have a nice day.